What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to do a quick video to show some of the new upgrades I got to my system and show how I was connecting everything. I had some questions and just wanted to show you guys how I had everything connected. First off, I'll just start off with the monitors. I got two PVMs, a Sony PVM20M2 MDU, has component and RGB inputs, or two RGB inputs. Below that I have a PVM20L5, which I had to add the BKM68X card to add an extra set of analog inputs. So I have component and RGB going to both monitors. They are being sent via RGB. I have a Bandridge SCART, which is connecting the Super Nintendo, Nintendo 64, Neo Geo, Genesis, and Dreamcast. And for the component sources, I have an Extron Crosspoint. We only have three components going in there, which is my NES, TurboGrafx-16, and my PS1/2. I'll just start off with, I guess, the first system here. I have an Omega Neo Geo. It's running SCART out. I do have the Neo SD fully loaded. I have all the ROMs on there. For the controllers on that, I have a couple of the Tori fighting stick, the Neo 2s. I had those modified with some arcade components. So I'm a big Neo Geo fan. High-res monitor hooked up to that. And then at the top here, this is my my Nintendo. I had it modified by Game Tech by Jason. Pretty much all the systems have EverDrives. This one's got an EverDrive N8. And I had him do the RGB mod. And then at the time I had him also do a component mod. So for some reason, I don't have this one RGB, but it does look really good via component. Jason did a really good job on that. On the Super Nintendo, this is a one chip with SCART out. Most of these are SCART out. And SD to SNES. Not much else to say about that. It looks really great. I also have the 8-bit DO wireless controller. Sometimes I like to use that. TurboGrafx-16, same sort of deal. I had this one component modded. I know there's other upgrades out there, but at the time, a while ago when I got this, that's what I got. So component modded. Turbo, I got the Turbo EverDrive. It's a lot of fun. Obviously that goes down into the switcher. Moving right along, Dreamcast, same sort of deal. That is SCART out to the Bandridge 5-port switcher, as is the Genesis. I got a Mega EverDrive for that. N64 also is SCART out. Have EverDrive 64. I guess I don't know if it's the Ultra or whatever, but EverDrive 64 hooked up via SCART to the SCART switcher. And then finally the PS2, which I do component since it can do 480p. If I ever want to watch a DVD, then it can go DVD out to the component out rather to the Crosspoint, and then up to the TVs. So anyway, that's my setup. Hope you enjoy the review, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thanks, and have a good day.